Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must act quickly. Power the iPhone off right away to prevent short circuits, and do not attempt charging. Next, remove any case and gently pat the lightning port area with a dry, lint-free cloth to remove surface liquid. Once done, set the phone on a flat, elevated surface with the connector facing downward so gravity helps drain residual moisture. This prevents trapped fluid from contacting internal contacts. Make sure the room is dry and avoid heat sources that could damage seals or battery chemistry. Now focus on controlled drying and diagnostics. Use low-pressure compressed air in brief bursts or position a fan 12 to 24 inches away to promote evaporative drying without forcing moisture deeper. After 1 hour, power on briefly and check settings battery or the lightning port notification for a moisture alert. If present, power off again and continue drying. Avoid inserting objects into the port. Silica gel packets are acceptable if available, but rice is not recommended. These steps balance drying speed with protecting delicate contacts and sensors. When the port reads dry, connect an Apple-certified cable and a known good adapter to test charging. Do this while the phone is powered off to reduce risk. If charging works, monitor performance and battery health for a day. If the moisture warning persists after 24 hours or charging fails, perform a force restart and then contact Apple support or an authorized repair provider with photos and notes. One key troubleshooting tip: if symptoms continue, document exact behaviors, charging light, intermittent charge, or error message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.